Bulldozers, the dirt-moving machine. Did you know the first bulldozer was designed to be pulled by goats? It didn't work that well, so they moved it to horses and steam power until electricity came along. Bulldozers are used to build roads, in mining, and construction. Their primary tool is their blade in the front and their ripper in the back. The biggest bulldozer in the world weighs nearly 200 tons, with blades as wide as 23 feet. Here at Job Jams, we think bulldozers are so cool. If you like trucks, you should check out our construction truck episode and subscribe to our channel.